Zikora, why are you obstructing my path?
Ikuku, grandson of Amadioha, the great and mighty seer of our kingdom, stay off my path and allow me carry out my mission.
And what is your mission here?
To seize control of Nri kingdom and unleash my powers upon the land and exact revenge upon those that banished me. My reign has come.
Our reign has come. Our reign has come. Our reign has come.
You are finally awake.
Inalegu. Bafutua. Strength, energy, force. Ebi. Ejek bleje boteje. Ebi. Ejek bleje boteje fiaje. Ebi. Ejek bleje boteje fiaje. Ebi. Bafutua ye. Ikuku. Kela lo ke epo ke jalo. Kela lo ke epo ke jalo. Ikuku. Kela lo ke epo ke jalo. Ke jalo. From now on, no man born of a woman or a human shall overshadow you. You are warriors. You will defeat any battle you go for. And so shall it be. I am the great wise one that traveled through the Red Sea of No Return, burst out in the inner chamber of Udun, where blood flows like river. Ikuku! Belalunke poke jalo. Atache!
Bring the palm fruit. This for your mouth.
Might hunt down your own shadows, you know. Let's go. This way.
Onyeze, please do calm down. Calm down. The chameleon might not walk fast, but it's never late to his journey. I strongly believe that Ikuku will soon be here.
Oh no. My heart is heavy. There is no time left behind to waste. Ikuku supposed to have come here.
I'm hearing
the whistle.
He's here.
Aponya ne kuma ke. Ikuku abịala.
Igwe, I greet you. Ndiche, ekelemono.
We greet you. You're welcome.
Ikuku, when the sound of a drum is suspended on air with high tunes, there is need to ask from which trees the drum was made. This is 3 market days gone, and nothing has been heard of Ndi Yomdike. Why?
My king, the ways of men are not the ways of gods. I mean, the ways of men are not the ways of the gods. The days you numbered are not the same way in the spiritual realm. My king, you have to calm down.
The last word I want to hear is calm down. Ikuku, how can you ask me to calm down when my people are ailing and dying? things are falling apart because of a strange maiden who has invaded our kingdom with her band of witches. And you are expecting me to sit on the throne of our forefathers and just watch? That will not happen. Ikuku, something must be done.
Naya, don't feel. Me? I know. It's you. It's a lie. Don't worry, she will fit. Okay. Sorry. Okay. You're next too. Just get ready. If Naya, please.
My prince, the only man that has succeeded in sweeping me off my feet. Greetings.
Greetings, Ifunanya. May I go now?
No. How about I join you?
Join me to where exactly?
Wherever you're going.
As you can see, your friends are waiting for you. I'll take my leave now.
My prince,
Wait. Ifnaya, what just happened? Did the prince walk out on you?
The prince walk out on me. No, he just needed to attend to something urgent. That's all.
It's something urgent. You think we did not see what just happened?
Enough! Enough! Why are you asking me questions if I owe any explanation?
Please. Are you talking to me?
I'm out.
Hey, you see your friend? Are you seeing her?
Is she not your
she
friend?
She walk out.
Is she not your friend as well?
I know you support her. I know. You always support her.
Oh, she's our friend.
She just walked out. So what are you going to do now?
Ugochi, please just stop. Stop all this.
Why is he not looking my way? I've tried everything possible to get his attention, but all to no avail. I know it's because of that witch that called herself a warrior. Ijoma. I pray you don't return alive.
What is wrong with you? What is it? Why are they rotting up? Yeah? My seedlings. Hi. Adam Madu. What is the matter? Why are you angry?
I'm fine.
You are fine. And you are trying to explode with anger. I'm fine. Why are these yam seedlings rotting like this? What kind of trouble is this? Kakagodumpa.
Wait, why are we even going to her hut? She walked out on us.
Ugo, you know how Ifnaya can be most at times. What can we do? She's still our friend.
Please, I'm tired of hearing all these things. I am tired. Listen, I'm going back to my father's hut. If you like, you can continue. I'm going back. Anamo, Anakwam.
Ugo, wait for me. How long have you been standing here?
Well, for as long as I can remember.
Prince Obiora, you know a man is not supposed to come here.
I'm sorry.
Why are you staring at me like that? Do you want me to pluck off your eyeballs?
Well, I cannot help it. You're very beautiful.
I know.
Why?
Why? Why what?
Why did you choose to become a warrior, an expert archer?
You know what they say about destiny, right?
You mean you were born for this?
Yes. To fiercely protect the peace of Onwe Kingdom.
At the detriment of your own life?
I'd like to take my leave now. My sisters must be looking for me.
But we just got here.
I will see you some other time, Prince Obiora. Please don't come looking for me at Ndi Iyum, Dike's hut.
May the gods protect you and your sister, my love.
Zikora, why are you obstructing my path?
Ikuku, grandson of Amadioha, the great and mighty seer of our kingdom, stay off my path and allow me carry out my mission.
And what is your mission here?
To seize control of Nri Kingdom and unleash my powers upon the land and exact revenge upon those that banished me.
That was centuries ago. The fourth generation know nothing about what happened to you.
Their forefathers brought this upon them. I must exact my revenge and rule over Nri.
That was why you stole the staff of Nri from this secret groove to improve your dark powers.
Ikuku! Tell your gods to exit from the kingdom of Nri and stay off my path. Not even the Ndi Yomdike can stop me. My reign has come.
Our reign has come.
Our reign has come. Our reign has come.
Your reign has expired for long. Atache! Ekolohi gbongole. Atache! Ekolohi gbongole. Awi minyola no gbola. Anyinya da baka palunwalun. Eka anyinya da baka palunwalun. Atache! Ekolohi gbongole. Millipede has so many legs. I said millipede has so many legs, but that does not make it the fastest animal in the bush. Atache! Oloibongole. Oloibongole atache. Anyinya da baka palumano. Akitikenyi.
Anyanwụ na-agbara. Mmụọ na mmadụ adara esuru ọsọ nna m. Ite aja akọ n'ama. Mmanya ike aja atụ egwu osisi. Anya aja afụ ntị ya bụrụ ọgwụ kọm gwọọlụ m ya ka ifere eme ndị ilo m. Gods of our forefathers. Gods of Nri. I am pleading with you. Save my people from these impending dangers hovering in this kingdom.
Akiti kanyi ina lego kingdom ala gba futu mi ye nka gba futu mi ye ae atache e ko lo igbon mo le ojojegbo I e ka bi na tutu gbonyan ta bi le na tutu gbonyan ina lego kingdom Atache! Olo igbo nwole. Igbidu eje fianu no. Igbidu je fianu no. Ikuku. Apale mami cho. Kapale mami cho. Ola fugbage. Eye, epa, eta. Okay, chewi janu, ke chewo. No. Ikuku atache ekolo igbonmole apale mamicho ekapale mamicho o le fu gbaje eye epa eta o keche wi jano keche wo fun no ekapale mamicho o le fu gbaje eye epa Eta, okay, Terry, Jano, no. When a lizard falls from top of the tree, it hit his head. 1, 2, he nod, and he say life is not easy.
Women warriors fighting for freedom.
We are young decade. Yes. We don't fear anyone. We are fearless. Yes. We are here to get the staff of Nri. Yes. Clear our way now. Ooh. Yeah. Hold your hands together. We are Nigerian. Yes. Okay, think I go cause dia rieru. Oye na share se fela de ni e. Ndagwo mo le mere bi ye. Mo ni te wo me. Who are you? I said, who are you?
No! What just happened? Who is this little force? They must not succeed. They must not conquer. I have come to reign. Our reign has come. Our reign has come. Our reign has come.
Adana, we should be okay. Yes, Kasi. We should be fine. Kasi.
I knew it. It's okay. Your sisters are here. How did you do that?
It's okay.
How did you do that?
I asked you before. Who are you?
Huh? I'm just a small boy hunting in this evil forest. They're watching.
Who are they?
Sikora and her coven of witches. Yes, they're watching us right now. Yes.
How do you know about them?
We have to leave here now. Yes.
To where? To where? Aja, he's right. We need to leave now.
Women warriors fighting for freedom.
My sisters, me, I am very angry and tired. I don't think I still have any strength in me anymore.
Me too. I'm so thirsty and hungry. I need to eat something. My sisters, we are in the middle of the dark forest. We can't see anything to eat here. We just have to continue to achieve our goals. Aja, Ngozi and Adana do not possess your kind of agility. Do not compare your strength to theirs. They need food.
Imagine the sacrifice just for our freedom. Imagine the love for our freedom. Women warriors. The fight is not for the weak. They fight with evil spirits. Demons, all of them, they fight them all. Women warriors, women warriors, for the freedom of the people. For the love of the land. Women warriors. Imagine the sacrifice just for our freedom. Imagine the love for our freedom. Women warriors. The fight is not for the weak. They fight with evil spirits. Demons.
You're an expert archer. You didn't even miss the target.
I honed my archery skill at a very young age. It would be a shame for me to miss the target. Let's go. Let's go.
Imagine the sacrifice just for our freedom. Imagine the love for our freedom. Women warriors. The fight is not for the weak. They fight with evil spirits, demons, all of them. They fight them all. The women warriors, women warriors. For the freedom of the people, for the love of the land, women warriors.
Zikora, please don't kill me. Please, I don't want to die. Spare my life. Please.
Your great-grandfather never thought of sparing me. He conspired with the Iche. I was disgraced and banished from Uri. That day, he decided your fate.
When an eagle decides to fly above the tree it's supposed to perch and moves to the mountain, there is a recourse. To what do I owe this visit?
Your reign is solidly coming to an end. Denounce the throne and the gods of Uri. You and your household shall find peace under my refuge.
I am not a coward that should fidget. Neither will I genuflect my conscience out of pressure. I am still the king. It's my duty to protect my people and ensure their safety. Zikora, you came from the shadow of darkness, from the forest, with your band of witches. You stole the dignity of the people. So to avert revenge to a generation that has nothing to do with you. A generation who you don't know anything about.
A generation that their forefathers humiliated and banished me because of my dark powers. I must sweep off the lineage of the souls that caused me pain. Uri is under my chain. Ezenwa, I will wipe off your lineage if you do not denounce the throne and your so-called gods before the next full moon.
Zikora, ebeneba di egbu na agbuna dike. Itada koronama, anyi ka di atu egwu osisi, anya di afọ ntị.
This is a tip of what will befall you if you do not do as I have instructed.
Igwe, my fellow elders, the golden age of peace and prosperity has finally left the kingdom of Uri. We now live in an unimaginable fear. What an anathema!
Fear has taken over our kingdom. Everyone now lives in their shadow, waiting to be consumed by Zikora.
I wonder what is still holding Ndeyom Because they have stayed there more than expected.
Who knows even if they are still alive?
I never expected you to say that kind of it. And don't say such of Ndiyom before the gods pay you an ugly visit.
Huh?
Yes. Igwe.
The next full moon, she practically instructed me to denounce the throne of our fathers and the gods. My people are ailing and dying, suffering under my reign. No, I am not going to be a weakling. I pray that the people of Ndiyom will retrieve the staff of Unri.
Ugochi, Amara. Are you two still angry with me?
Okay, I'm sorry. I just didn't like the way you two were throwing questions at me.
Did you just say sorry?
Yes. Why?
Because if Naya I know don't used to say sorry to anyone.
Maybe the love she has for the prince have created a huge impact on her.
And what was that supposed to mean?
It means everything you are thinking of. By the way, since you have apologized, we accepted. Where are you heading to?
To your heart, of course.
My heart?
Then the ghost is not the palace. Sure you heard what happened?
I did. My father told me everything. I just pray nothing happens to Prince Obiora.
You just pray nothing happens to Prince Obiora. So you cannot pray for yourself. Do you think you are safe? You are not safe. Nobody is safe in this village again. Pray for yourself. You pray nothing will happen to Prince Obiora. We love him. The love Bakwoko.
You are joining us to the stream. I've been standing here for him. Yeah.
Greetings, Father.
Obiora,
Father,
how are you doing?
I'm okay, Father. Father, your heart is worried. Zikora has eaten your peace beyond our reach. We are all living under her mercy in this kingdom, and our hands are tied. Father, sometimes I wish there is something I can do to put her on hold until Ndiyom Dike comes back.
Son,
Father,
there is nothing we can do about it. We can only wait on the gods.
but Father, Zikora threatened to wipe off your lineage if you do not dethrone yourself and denounce the gods come the next full moon.
I am not scared of Zikora's threat. I only fear for my people. They are losing life on a daily basis. They are practically living in fear and in bondage. Zikora is a malevolent sorceress. It is only the Ndiyom Dike that can destroy her. If only they can get hold of the Emerald Staff of Unri and destroy it.
And Father, you do not have to worry yourself then, because I believe in Ndiyom Dike. They have never lost a battle for this kingdom, and on this, they would come back victorious.
Son, Return to your chamber.
Thank you, Father.
What? Ifunanya? What is it? The what?
Zikora. She appeared in the stream. And the whole water turned blood.
Ewo?
Yes.
Ewo? Nke wa aru eme o. Hi. Amara. Go and inform your father. Tell him what happened. I will go to Ichie on you and tell him we will meet at the palace.
Okay.
Please go. And you, go inside. Go inside.
Mama, I'm scared.
Go inside. Don't be scared. But make sure you don't come out.
I'll not come out, Mom.
Hi. One. Okay.
Fear gripped me. Immediately, Amara, my daughter, told me about what happened. Onyeze, we have to do something and do it very fast.
Yes, Onyeze, we really have to do something. We cannot continue to wait for Ndeyomdike. Only the gods know why Zikora spared the life of our daughters and daughters when she appeared. Now we do not have water to drink. Our stream has turned to blood. Who drinks that kind of water?
Igwe, things have really gone bad. And this is very unfortunate. At this point, Onyeze, Nwokike, I know you are thinking in the direction of finding solution to this problem. I suggest this is the time to visit Ikuku's shrine. That's my own thinking.
I think so. That's what we should.
The worst is yet to come.
Ikuku, onununkla, uke bola ke de papa, apakano ebolo ngune kenyatifu, ifuke kanu udele pufu, e papa ma. Ikuku, epo, ekanalu kepo, ke jalo. Ani na da pakapalu walu no. Ikuku, kelalu kepo ke jalo. Eko tu pin e nyan, o tu le pi ane ye nyan. Akiti kenye. Uke gola ke de papa ne, apakano ebolo ngunu. Ikuku, arusi nenyem. Ikuku afu. E o tu le pi ane yenya. Arusi. 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 Oyana kelalun kepo. Kepo. Kejalo. Ele. Ele. Kelalun kepo. Kejalo. Arusi. Guamoku. Ikuku guamoku. Anmanu. Paramoku. Ikuku. Kelalun kepo. Guamoku. Ebi. Otule bi. Enya.
Wait, look at this. A hut? In the heart of this dark place. This is strange. Yes, this is the evil forest, the land of the spirit. Everything around here is strange.
Here does not smell of evil. Let's quench our curiosity.
What? What if white animals live there?
And you haven't been devoured all these years you have been coming here? It's okay. Let's go and check.
For no reason, I do not trust you. Yet, I feel comfortable around you. Let's go. I am not sure anyone or anything lives here.
Finally, my eyes behold humans after decades.
An old man. What? Old man. Bring it down. Bring it down. Bring it down. I wonder what an old man is doing in an evil forest. No! Don't be moved by his words. Get hold of your emotions. He might possibly be a wizard, you know.
No. He is human. Exiled years ago. Saved by his ancestors and dwells here.
Yes, she's right. He's harmless. I've encountered him twice while hunting.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure of what I'm saying.
Welcome, Diyomdike.
You know us?
Aja. The maiden rumored to possess the strength and agility of the ancestors themselves. Descendants of a lineage of powerful warriors. Herself, a skillful warrior and strategic thinker. The one who has sworn to protect Nri from Zikora's dark magic and uphold the tradition of Diyomdike. Ijoma, the archer with unmatched precision. Born into a family of great hunters. The one who has sworn to protect her fellow warriors and prove her worth as a member of the Yomdike. Ngozi, the strategist. The strategist. Her tactical brilliance rivals even the greatest. With a very deep knowledge of ancient battle tactics, known for her sharp mind and ability to analyze situations. Adanna, healer of ndị Yomdike. Her knowledge of herbs, roots, and medicine can heal even the most grievous with a deep connection to nature, passed down through her lineage.
Old man, who are you?
Centuries ago, in the ancient kingdom of Nri, there lived a family of sorcerers. Anekwe and his wife, Nwaihunenye. Zikora was their only child, one whose beauty glowed under the rays of sunlight. She was the envy of all maidens and every man's desire.
Will you go to farm tomorrow?
No, I don't think so.
Let's go now. What will you be doing at home?
I'll be washing clothes. I won't sleep with Nanero.
And do you know why I wanted you to go with me to the farm?
Why?
Because my parents traveled. And I will be alone in the house.
Are you sure? I'll take it. I'll take it when I'm done with you.
I wonder what our men see in her.
that they don't see in us? Oh, ma, are we not beautiful enough?
Of course she's a witch. She must have used her dark magical powers to cast lust in their eyes towards her.
Exactly. She does not deserve to live among us, we humans. I wish she will be burned to death.
I wish to.
Let's go, ma.
Zikora was a very powerful sorceress, more powerful than her parents. She was like her grandmother. Her good heart never let her use her dark magic on her enemies, even when she was pushed.
Practicing how to control your powers.
Yes, Nne.
Okay, let me leave you so that you can concentrate.
Nne.
Yes?
Why do people of this community hate us so much? They even wish us death.
They don't hate us. They even think that we may afflict some evil sicknesses on them, pains.
But we are nothing like that.
Because we choose not to listen. We choose not to. Listen, my daughter. Witches are known for being wicked. Especially those that have tried to get hold of staff of Unri to improve their secret powers. So they will always hate us. Yes. Let me leave you to concentrate.
Staff of Unri.
Zikora woke up one morning and found her parents dead without any cause. She cried her heart out, begging them to wake up. But then they were far gone, beyond reach.
Waima, I am standing here with a whole lot of pain in my heart. Why have thou forsaken me? Why allow death consume the only people I cherish so much? We have powers, but yet we cannot defeat death. I don't want these powers anymore. They are useless, Waima. I know you can hear me. Answer me, Waima. I do not need these powers anymore. They are useless. Take them away. Take them away, Waima. I denounce you today. I denounce you, Waima. I denounce you. Waima!
This is so painful. Losing one's parent is very devastating. Not when you talk about the both parent.
So what happened next? How did she become so cruel, ambitious, and power-hungry?
The people of Unri treated her badly. None sympathized with her. They all saw her as bad omen and avoided her. She became a recluse.
Zikora! Zikora!
She had only one friend who never left her side. Ihoma always visited her, bearing food. She is King Ezenwa's grandmother. The only reason Zikora is yet to destroy the royal lineage and entire Nri kingdom.
What are you doing here? I thought I made it clear to Waima that I do not want to be a witch. Why are you here?
We warned your parents, but they never listened. Humans are wicked, selfish and cruel. They do not deserve mercy. Look at the way they are mistreating you instead of sympathizing with you.
Zikola, you know that your heart is so bitter. Come with us. He brutally fears like us.
No! No! I am not going with you. I am not like you and I do not want to be like you. Now leave! Leave! Leave!
Even after her fellow witches made her see reason to be evil, she still rebuked them. Until one day...
Zikora Nwabanje. Where are you going? Stay there! Look how ugly you've become. Or are you suddenly eating up yourself? Just the same way you ate your parents. You know she killed her parents.
Yes.
Obanje child.
One by one, you all shall fall dead and erased from the surface of Unri.
Yes. Obanje child.
Obanje. What can you do?
She cannot do anything other than the one she has done before.
Humans are wicked, selfish and cruel. They do not deserve mercy. Look at the way they are treating you. Instead of sympathizing with you.
Bad child is a bad child.
Zikora was not spared for using her dark powers. Zemo subdued her powers, and the people of the land cast her out and threw her into the evil forest. Even the pleas of Ihuoma, her friend, for mercy upon her fell on deaf ears. Zikora was dragged round the whole village, half naked, and then she was banished, never to set foot on the kingdom.
Till the fourth generation.
Till the fourth generation.
How long have I slept?
Over a century and more.
Is this the fourth generation?
Yes, it is.
It is time. Time to exert vengeance on those that inflicted pain on me.
Then you must get hold of the staff of Unri from the sacred grove to improve your dark powers, to give you control over the elements and the ability to conjure terrifying creatures from the forest depths. Oh, you got the staff. Even the most strongest witches couldn't get it. You have indeed proven your greatness beyond doubt. Come forward, my child. Come.
Consumed by her thirst for power, Zikora destroyed Wanyima with the staff and fiercely sat on the throne. She made herself the head of witches and superior over all the others. Her thirst for power and revenge made her return from the shadowy depths of the forest. Zikora will stop at nothing till she seizes control of Unri and unleashes her dark magic upon the land. The staff must be retrieved from her and destroyed. Only then can peace reign again in the kingdom of Unri.
Old man, please, how do you know all this? Because the great one Ikuku could not even tell us any of this.
I have waited so long for this day. I am Mazu Okeke from Orapo lineage, Inokwe, kindred. I was alleged to have slept with my brother's wife and I was banished, beaten, stripped naked by my people, banished from the kingdom, never to return, years ago. But my ancestors protected me and kept me to this day, so that I will tell the story behind the prophecy of the staff of Muri.
A prophecy? What prophecy is that?
Only a warrior with the heart of a lion and the spirit of a hummingbird can wield the magic required to destroy or counter the powers of the staff.
Aja,
My lord.
the warrior with the heart of a lion
Mm.
and the spirit of a hummingbird. You have done well.
Thank you, my lord.
Ayabale.
She must focus on the strength within her. The combined spirits of her ancestors and the unwavering loyalty of her warriors. Obi, a descendant of a powerful lineage of spirit guides, your connection to the spirit realm proves invaluable.
A spirit guide? No, it's not me. I'm only a small hunter who comes here to hunt and sometimes wonder how I got here.
You are a spirit guide and must understand your connection with the spiritual realm to fulfill your destiny.
What destiny are you talking about?
You shall guide Ndi Yomdike through unknown paths and warn them of impending dangers.
That's not possible. I'm too small for that.
It is your destiny.
Aja. 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 What is it? What has eaten up your thoughts?
Ijoma. Ijoma Zikora. Zikora suffered. She went through hell. Our forefathers did not treat her well. They did not. They made her go through pain. Ijoma, I have been through pain. I have experienced how pain feels. But the fourth generation, we do not deserve such pain. We don't. We did not do anything to her. Yes.
The ancient kingdom of Umri, under the wise reign of Ezenwa, a golden age which peace and prosperity flourished. A peace that was fiercely guarded by Ndi Iyomdike, led by the legendary Aja herself. But Zikora's return has shrouded darkness in the land. She has marked fear, oppression, and an iron fist that can crush any dissent. Aja, we must stop her. We must stop her. We must stop her before she wipes the entire Unri descendants off the surface of the land. We must stop her.
King Ezenwa does not deserve this in his region. I remember when my parents went fighting for the kingdom of Uri, but they were killed by the warriors of Ichaka. They never returned back to Uri. Ijowa, I was broken. I felt so much pain. So I understand what pain feels like. After which, the warriors of Ichaka invaded Nri. They killed so many people. So many households were killed. I tried my best to fight for my people, for my great land. I tried. But they overpowered me and they raped me. I was raped.
Was that how you got the scar? I never knew you had so much pain in your heart.
That was how I got this scar. I almost killed myself. King Ezenwa and his household took me in. His wife treated me like their child, as if I was a princess. So you see.
How is she doing now?
Oh, my king. She's getting better.
Oh, may the gods be praised.
The herbs Ikuku gave to her and the one she's applying on her cheeks is very, very effective.
Very well then. Let her eat. Is she not eating?
She's taking it slowly.
You will be fine. I will be at the palace for a procession. I will check on you again. Make sure she finish eating this. That's all she needs now.
Thank you, my king.
Thank you, Cheze.
Eat. Okay.
One day, I was taking a walk around the village with Onyeze and Prince Obiora when suddenly 2 masked warriors jumped out of the bush to attack the king. I challenged them and fought tirelessly and defended them. We finally discovered that they were still warriors of Ichaka.
Akitikanyi! Akitikanyi! Ikuku! Eko tule bi ane yenya! Ataacha! Olohi gbangmole! Olohi gbangmole! Olohi gbangmole! Olohi gbangmole! Kelanu ke po ke jalo! Ikuku! Kelanu ke po ke jalo! Atace!
The whole village celebrated my victory and loyalty to the king. Ikuku initiated me into becoming an Iyom Dike. That day I swore to protect the king and the descendants of Nri, even with my last breath, and I kept to my promise till you, Ngozi, and Adanna were discovered and then initiated too.
Otule bi ane yenya agabai du na wea Ochanya opu je bledi bote je fiaje Akiti kanyi yeke je bledi bote je fiaje je fi ndunu atache lo igbonwole eke olu afọ anukwo Atache ekulo igbonwole ikuku kelanu ke ipo ke jalo
Kepu, Kejalo, Kepu, Kejalo, Kepu, Kejalo.
From now on, you are fortified as the leader of the warriors. No man or woman born of a human can befall you. You are stronger than iron. Ikuku!
Aja, I will fight tooth and nail to make sure the peace of Unri returns.
Aja, my sister, you are not just a skilled warrior. You are fiercely loyal, compassionate, wise, and a natural leader. I promise you, together we will fight Zikora and destroy the staff.
What? I know you miss him.
Who?
Prince Obiora.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Ijoma, it's all over your eyes. You can lie to me. We are sisters. You miss him, right?
Does it matter? I mean, Ndi Yomdike are not allowed to get married, right?
That is true. But something can be done.
Really?
So you see, I caught you.
Yes, you sure did.
I miss him. You see, I'm a funny fe. Na funa nzuzu.
I just... My prince, I almost shot at you. I almost...
Killed me? Look, it would be of great joy to me to die by your hands.
Stop it. My prince, this is not funny at all. And may the gods forbid.
Is that how much you like me?
And who says I like you?
Anyway, I can see you're going for hunting.
Yes.
Can I come with you?
To where? You are not a hunter.
Well, I'm willing to learn.
You're such a handful. Thank you for today. Even though you kept me out too long.
You know
I enjoyed it.
You know we can actually do this always. Anyway, I'll take my leave now.
All right.
Ijoma, I love you.
You cannot love a warrior. I am not just an ordinary maiden. I am Ndi Yodike. We do not get married, nor bear children.
But we can...
Prince Obiora, give Ifunanya a chance. She loves you.
But I do not love Ifunanya. My heart only yearns for you.
I'm sorry, I have to go inside now before my sisters see us here.
Okay.
He's a good man, just as his father is. I pray the gods bless you too. He said, let's go before they will start looking for us. Thank you so much, great Mazio Keke. I appreciate all your words, prayers and advice. We really appreciate. Thank you so much for your hospitality. We are grateful.
Thank you. Thank you.
Go well, my daughters and my son. Our ancestors shall go before you.
Ise.
The gods of our land shall protect you.
Ise.
You shall achieve your collective destiny.
Ise.
Every obstacle on your way, you shall overcome.
Ise.
Go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Go, my daughters.
The fight is not for the weak. The fight with evil spirits, demons, all of them. The fight them.
My prince, I brought you food.
I am not hungry. What are you doing here?
I brought you food, my prince.
What is wrong with you? What is the meaning of this? How can you be throwing yourself on a man who clearly does not want you? Now listen to me. My heart belongs to someone else. I beg you in the name of the gods, stay away from me. I mean, you should be worried about how to escape Zikora's venom and not this. Now leave at once. Leave!
Son, you shouldn't have said those words to her. It is hurtful.
But mother, she is doing too much. My heart belongs to another.
But you
Mother, please, let me be.
Ifunanya. Yeah, what is it? What happened? Why are you crying?
Talk to us. Why are you crying? Did the prince beat you? Talk.
I'm tired. I'm torn. Throwing myself on a man who doesn't love me or wants me. He's in love with another maiden. I'm tired. I hate myself right now.
Take it easy, my friend. Take it easy, my friend. Take it easy. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Just slow down. It's okay. It's okay.
The fight is not for the weak.
Yes, I'm hearing it.
What just happened? I know this is one of Zikora's plans to trap us, but we will not allow her to do that. Let's go.
Let's just leave. Let's just leave. Yes.
I saw you. You were lying down there dead. You were there.
You saw me dead?
Yes.
Me?
You were dead.
Adana, get a hold of yourself. Aja is not dead. She's here.
She was there.
Adana, Aja is the head of Ndiyom Dike. Without her, this journey is fruitless. Death is far from her.
You have to put yourself together, okay?
I don't understand what is going on, but I know what I saw. It was you. You were the one there. Don't touch me. It was you. It was you.
Calm down. You don't have to be scared. It's me. I'm not dead. I know this is an evil forest. A lot of things are strange here. But you need to put your mind, your soul, and your body together. We are Ndiyom. We are fearless. Let's go.
The fight is not for the weak. The fight with evil spirits, demons, all of them. The fight them all. Ndiyom Dike. Women warriors.
That was close.
It's getting tougher and tougher.
Who are you? And why do you look so much like me? I am your sister. I don't have a sister and I don't even know you. Come with me and I'll take you to Zikora and where the staff is.
Ngozi, who are you speaking to?
Are you not seeing this maiden standing right in front of me? Claiming to be my sister?
Ngozi, please stop. There's no maiden here.
What? Maiden! Where are you?
Ngozi, stop it.
Where are you? Come and tell me what you just told me!
There's no maiden here. Calm down. Maybe it's your reflection. These forests are conspiring against us. Maybe they're just playing some tricks on your mindset.
But
Ngozi, it's okay. Have you forgotten where we are? We are in the depth of this deep forest. Put yourself together. We are Ndiyom.
Yes.
We are fearless.
Indeed, they are playing tricks on us.
We are close to Zikora's fortress. Yes, let's go.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. It's okay.
How can we fight this?
Do not panic. For this battle, we shall win it.
He says
he is the Korah's most formidable creature.
We are Ndi Yondige. We can do this.
Yes.
It is time to send them to Abyss. Ndi Yondige, the play is finally over. It is time to send you to your ancestors.
Zikora, the fearless sorcerer. I know your heart is filled with bitterness. I know our forefathers did you unjustly. I understand how you feel. But you can't use that anger on us. We do not know anything. We are only but a child. I can asaro nafo. Please, I am begging you. May your anger reduce. And may you please return the staff of Uri.
Never! Never! You shall pay for the sins of your forefathers. I have come to reign. I have come to take over Uri. And nobody, not even you, can stop me.
Zikora, Mordike, we are not our forefathers. We are innocent. Beko, for the sake of your bosom friend Iroma, go back to the shadow's depth, where you came from, and let us have peace.
Never!
Then, you have Ajay, to contend with.
How dare you!
Zikora, we are Ndi Yondige. We are fearless. Yes. Bring it on!
No! Please answer that.
Have you forgotten? We told our people that we will bring back the staff of Uri. We will go back to Uri victorious.
Please,
my sister. You've come a long way to leave us.
Yes.
Please don't leave us. Please don't.
Ijoma, please don't go.
You can't.
Ijoma, please. Ijoma, please.
You can't die on us, please. I beg you. Don't leave us.
Papa, please.
I'm very weak.
Papa.
You are the spirit guide. Please protect my sisters. Aja, you are the strongest of us all. One name.
I love you, Angela. Please don't do this to us.
Please, help me tell Prince Obiora that I love him so much. And I will always watch over him.
Zikora, you have me to contend with. Zikora, you have me to contend with.
Everybody close your eyes.
You dare my abode.
Show your face, you coward! Zikora, why are you hiding? Show your face. If you know you will call yourself the strongest Zikora, come and face me. Ayaja! Zikora. Zikora! You have done enough. You have done enough, and you have caused us so much bitterness. Today, Aja, I will end it all. Give me the staff of Unri. Now!
Then get ready to join your sister. Did you get that? Don't!
Zikora,
don't!
I warned you, right? I warned you to free my people. You refused. Today, I will make sure you go and you never disturb the people of Uni.
Imagine the sacrifice just for our freedom.
The people of Uri, the warriors of Ndi Yomdike have come out victoriously. They are performing their rituals on the sacred ground and to be received by the king. Note that they will not come out unless the king has honored them publicly.
Imagine the sacrifice just for our freedom. Imagine the love for our freedom. Women warriors. The fight is not for the weak. They fought with evil spirits, demons, all of them. They fight them all. Women warriors, women warriors.
Gods be praised.
Aja, may you rise to your feet and hand over Zikora's head to Ikuku. Ikuku!
My king.
You know what to do.
Where is Ijoma? Talk to me! Aja, where is Ijoma? Can someone talk to me?
We lost her.
What do you mean by you lost her? What?
My prince.
No, you can't. No, you can't be serious. No! It's okay.
Become son. Become son.
Oh, mother. It's okay.
Oh, it's okay. Attack! Zikora! Millipede has so many legs. It is never the fastest crawling animal on the bush. If you doubt it, go ask the snake.
Yeah. May you rise. Aja, rise to your feet. Today is indeed a happy day. We shall honor Ndi Yomdike because they have come out victoriously, making us proud. My cabinet and I will fix a day that all of you will be honored and be celebrated in this kingdom. And so shall it be.
Ijoma. Ijoma, my sister. My friend. You stood in for me. And you paid with your life the debt that was meant for me. You have really proven your loyalty and trust as a great member of Ndi Yomdike. I will never forget your kind gesture. You fought a good fight. Ijoma, Ijoma Wanemu, a great hunter. I wish you're here today to be celebrated because you fought a good fight. You saw it all and you gave your life for us, our land. We will forever be indebted to you. Aja, I will be forever indebted to you. We, the Yomdike, will forever be indebted to you. Wanemu,
Goodbye.
Gana bogi na nyamu. Gana bogi nege no reda for na uko. Bogi sabu. Gane ego kekeki. I will give you everything that you deserve. Ijoma Wanemu can come. Farewell once until we meet again.
Ijoma.
Farewell, Ijoma.
Farewell, Ijoma.
Farewell.
Ayekuwema, 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 yirabo, yirabo, yara.